Okay, this time I have a graph and I want to find the equation. So I'm going to start by putting in a center line. So there, my center line is at 3. That tells me immediately my vertical shift was 3. I can also see now my amplitude is 2. So I've got an A value of 2. I start at the center and go up. So my A value is positive as well. So amplitude was 2. My A value for the function is 2. This is a sine graph. Oops, sine graph, because we start in the center and we go from there. And I also want to look at my period. So I want to complete one full cycle. I do that here. So that is a full cycle of 4. So my period is 4. And I know that my period is also equal to 2 pi divided by the b value. Well, if I solve this equation, that tells me that my b value must be 2 pi divided by 4, which is the same as pi over 2. That tells me this equation must be y equals 2 sine of pi over 2x plus 3. Let's go into our calculator and see if that checks out. So in my calculator, I am going to get out of here. All right, first I want to check and make sure I'm in radians mode. And now I want to go into my y equals, type my equation. So we've got 2 sine of pi over 2x plus 3. And now I want to make my window look the same. So window, this is going, it looks like -10 to 10, that's okay. And then my y values, I'm going from -1 up to 8. So hopefully we're going to get the same picture. And I can calculate a value. I think that at 4, my y value should be 3, so let's test that. So second calc, I want a value for x equals 4. And sure enough, I get a y value of 3. So this equation makes sense.